So this is a video discussing how we created that Texas backboard for the potting bench. We used these extra cedar pickets that my friend had laying around. They're roughly about 6 feet in height, and so we did have to cut them down to size. We trimmed them down to about 48 inches in length, and then stacked them up to about 36 inches in height. We use these 1 5/8 inch decking screws to attach the pickets along the back side of the frame. You can find different templates to help you with the scale of the flag, but essentially with this size, we marked 17 inches from the left to represent where that blue part of the flag will be. I used Behr exterior stain and sealer and applied 2 coats for most colors. The first color I used was Pinto White. I stained the left side of the flag white first because I wanted to lay the Texas Star stencil over it before painting that section blue. And just for reference, that size of the Texas Star stencil I used was 11.5 inches by 12 inches. I also stained the top half of the right side white because of course that's the color it's supposed to be. I then stained the bottom right part of the flag with barn red, and I did apply 2 coats, making sure I had at least a couple of hours of dry time between those coats. Next, I painted the left side of the flag with Atlantic, and for the red, white, and blue portions of this potting bench, I used solid color stain, and for the brown, I used semi-transparent. And the last color I used was the semi-transparent Wrangler Brown, and I only put 1 coat on the potting bench because I was just ready to be done. This project was a real confidence booster for me. Again, thank you to my friends Jean and Dan who helped me through this entire process. If you guys decide to put this potting bench together, let me know in the comments section below. Until the next video, y'all take care.